Agents, hey, this is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. Renewing a plan. ACA tip today that I'm going to go over is renewing a plan when a plan has exited the market. I'm not talking about Aetna. On this one, I'm going to be talking about Molina. So I'm going to share with you the movement from one carrier to another and what to watch out for. All right, before I do that, do me a favor. Please comment down below if you got any questions or any suggestions on what you'd like for me to do. Number two, make sure you like this video. If you're a subscriber, thank you. And if you're not, come on, give me a little love here. Subscribe to the channel. All right, let's take a look at what is going on with their current plan. Okay, so I'm sharing with you a screen right now. This screen shows this individual. It's a 53-year-old female. She currently has a Molina Gold plan, paying $47 a month. Not a bad plan. She's got a $1,500 deductible, okay? She has an $8,100 out of pocket. Doctors are $20, Medicare specialists are $50, generic drugs are $10. So all in all, not a bad plan. Now, figuring out why did they migrate her to Blue Cross? Well, Molina pulled out from the area that she's in. So got no choice. Molina's completely off the table. Now this is the migration that they did. So now look at the rate. Rate went up. Now, in all fairness here, guys, the income did increase also. Had I kept the income at the level that she was at, which was $35,000, okay, the increase is still not that bad. But she did tell me that her income increased to $61,000. All right. So with that being said, with Blue Cross, this is what we're looking at. Okay, $436. Now, if you want to start entertaining other plans, this is the way you do it. You're going to click on See Plan Details. Another window will open up and then show all plans. Okay, now here, and let's kind of, just to make this easy, let's stay in the same gold plan. All right, so now her best option is going to be moving to Ambetter. Now, but before I start recommending plans, we've got to enter the docs and the meds, which I don't have at this time. So you want to enter your doctors here, you want to enter your prescriptions, and then kind of start narrowing plans based on that. Now, let's do a quick comparison here. All right. So let's see here. I have a comparison. Let's just say that we're going to stick with Blue Cross. Okay. Just to make it easy. Let's assume that all her doctors are with Blue Cross. So I'm going to do this. So what you're seeing here in this screen, this is the Blue Cross Gold that they migrated it to. Okay. We got a $550 deductible. We got a max out of pocket of $10K. Okay. Doctors are $30, specialists $110, not bad. Okay. Generic drugs are $0. Okay. Brand names are $50. Now, if she has any tier 3 meds, any tier 4 meds, she's going to pay the full price from it. Now, once she hits that $550 deductible, remember, guys, this $550 right here, this is a medical and a prescription deductible. Then at that point, once she's paid $550, then it goes to a coinsurance. Okay, not bad. Now let's look at imaging. Okay, on imaging, we're doing the same thing here. If we're looking at imaging, she's got x-rays, CAT scans, blood work. She pays the full price until she reaches that $550. Now, it's not a separate $550 from this one. It's the same $550. Once she's hit this $550, this goes away, and now she's in the coinsurance section. So she'll start paying 20%. So really, guys, not a bad deal. Look at urgent care, $45. Okay. Now, all of this is hospitalization, ambulance, ER, staying in the hospital, outpatient, physical rehab. She's paying the full price until she hits that $550. Again, remember, it's the same $550 that's up here, not a separate $550. Then she starts going into some coinsurances. She goes to the ER. She's going to get slapped with a $1,000 fee plus 35%. She gets into the hospital. She's going to get slapped with a $950 fee plus 35%. Now, all of these monies that she's paying, they're all going towards this max out of pocket. So when she hits $10,100, she's done. All right, perfect. Now let's go look at a bronze plan. Okay. Now we're looking at a bronze plan. On this bronze plan, we got a much lower premium. Okay, we got a much higher deductible. Okay, all right. And the out-of-pocket is still kind of the same. Think $100 difference. But this does make a big difference, guys. Remember, on the old plan, it was $550. All right, let's go down here. Okay, we're good here on the copays for docs and specialists. Look what happens here on the prescriptions. On the prescription side, only generics are covered. Tier 2. Okay, we have Tier 3. Okay, we have Tier 4. This is supposed to be a 2. Okay, look what happens here. She's got to pay the full price. Now, this deductible, remember, that is $7,500. Pretty much, she's going to, either when you do the prescription search, any Tier 2s, 3s, or 4s, she's going to pay the full price. It's going to sting. Okay, look at x-rays, imaging, and blood work. Same scenario. She's got to spend that $7,500. Okay, urgent care went up. Okay, not too bad. Same thing here, guys. Oh, let's just carve out that physical rehab. Kind of odd that that's just $50. But here, she's going to have to spend $7,500 before she gets into the coinsurance. So, yes, it might save her some money, but if she's utilizing it, it's going to cost her more. Now, here's the question to ask, because this is a math problem. If this lady was super healthy, which I don't know at this point, if she's super healthy, I'd probably recommend a bronze to her, save some money. But if she's utilizing it right now, the gold may be better, assuming she can afford the price on the gold, which is $436. We don't know what that price is going to be. This is a good chunk of change. So now it's about you now presenting this to the insured. At this point, I would present to the insured and let the insured make a decision on what they want to do. They may decide to go one way or the other. Just put them out there and just let them tell you what they want. All right, I hope that helps you out when you're starting to do some comparisons. I'm going to do another comparison for somebody who told me they're not too happy with their mammogram copays. All right, and so stay tuned for that one. That will be the next one. Guys, a couple of things I have for you. Number one, down below, if you click on the more, it'll expand for you. Okay, when you click on that expansion, I've got my smart books for ACA, which are manuals. Okay, these are little manuals that I put together that I utilize here in my office, but I will have the Medicare manual also ready. So if you want a good insurance manual that shows the subsidy, the federal poverty level, I talk about income, eligibility, SEPs. I got a bunch of stuff in there that you don't have to research. Everything is in here. Okay, go down there, click, and get the book. If you're Medicare, or maybe you're both Medicare and ACA, well, I've got a special down below, so go get that. The next thing, and this is happening, this is the kind of the best part of what I like doing. I've been in business for over 25 years. Okay, if you guys want to book a one-on-one with me, now I can't give my time away for free, guys. Okay, I'm a busy guy, but I got a lot of info up here. Okay, I have an agency with 14 staff, been in business for 25 years. We've got over 10,000 active clients. Okay, PNC, Medicare, ACA, Life, and all the ancillaries and commercial. Okay, if you want to book a half hour or a 1 hour block of my time, book it. I will discuss anything that you guys want. Agency building, maybe building a downline. I've got over 900 agents under my downline. Okay, maybe you want to talk about building a potential downline with agents underneath you. Okay, maybe you want to start hiring staff and you don't know how. You want to talk about how to pay them. Maybe you just want to talk about marketing, how to grow your business. Okay, I'm loving the heck out of AI. And maybe you want to, like, Luis, how are you guys using AI in your agency? I'll share everything that I've got with you. So book either a half hour or 1 hour block of my time. We'll make it convenient for you. And we'll either do a Zoom or a phone call and we'll knock it out. So that's down below. Finally, agent CRM. Guys, you got to have a CRM. Okay, if you don't have a CRM, super vital that you have a CRM for so many reasons. Number one, CYA. Number two, it's a marketing tool. Number three, it's a retention tool. It helps you retain your clients. Okay, and when you use my link, guys, two things are going to happen. Number one, it's the same price. Okay, so you don't pay anything more. but you will get all of my workflows that I create and use in my agency for all those lines of businesses: ACA, Medicare, life, health, or dental and vision, auto, home, commercial. You get them all. Okay. And then I give those to you, and then you utilize them however you want. Okay. So you got to have agency on. And finally, guys, I know marketing is huge for you guys. I've partnered up with Shauna. She has a great course, an awesome course on how to market on Facebook and Instagram. I've utilized it. I'm out there creating sponsored ads. I don't really know enough to teach somebody, but she is the expert on marketing or Facebook advertising. So she's got a course that she sells. So if you're interested in her course, that will be down there below. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. Don't forget to comment down below. Okay. If you got any suggestions, just comment. Also, make sure that you like this video. Give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.